Good afternoon, this is Easy Chen. Today I'm going to talk about a recently started up business from my home country China, Perfect Diary. Here's some basic information about the business. Perfect Diary is a high-quality and well-designed cosmetics brand for young generation, established in 2017. The founder Jinfeng Huang launched the products by e-commerce on Alibaba, following by 3 pop-up stores in Beijing and Shanghai. In 2019, Perfect Diary opened their first retailer in Guangzhou. Here are some products and bestsellers. Perfect Diary sells a wide range of cosmetics products, as you may find in their official website. Here are some consumer needs and pain of cosmetics markets. First of all, minimalization. Due to market research, consumers would prefer cosmetics products in smaller packaging and various variety. Secondly, Chinese consumers tend to follow the evolving trends, especially young women. They are more trend-driven instead of innovation-driven. Due to research, Chinese university graduates' average annual starting salary is barely $8,000, which means cosmetics are unaffordable for young age groups. Perfect Diary's solution to this is that their cosmetics are set at a relatively low price comparing to others in the market. This is because they tend to target young age group customers. The cosmetics industry has posted strong growth over the past decade. Due to research, average industry growth between 2014 and 2019 was 8.7%. China has become one of the largest cosmetics markets, ranks first in Asia. And here's a graph showing the size of e-commerce cosmetics market in China. Perfect Diary faces a competitive position within the industry. It is a highly competitive environment. However, it can be motivating and innovating for the business. In the long term, Perfect Diary may consider to move to a collaborative position. For example, they could launch collaboration products with other rivals within the market. This enables the business to learn from others and break down barriers. Here's a graph comparing Perfect Diary to 3 other Chinese cosmetics brands. And now, here's an overview of Perfect Diary's financial data. During the promotion on Alibaba Tmall in 2019, Perfect Diary achieved 1 billion RMB turnovers within 13 minutes. It continuously topped the list and even exceeded famous international brands. In the report published by Henry Research, Perfect Diary is ranked 6th on the top unicorn list with 7 billion RMB valuation. And here's a graph showing Perfect Diary's online sales. Lastly, the reason for investment. Why should we invest? The cosmetics industry revenue is forecast to grow at an annualized 7.4% until 2023 to total 37.1 billion in China. Online sales for cosmetics has been a rapid rise in China since 2009, hitting 25.3% in 2018. Forecast shows that China's online penetration rate of cosmetics will range at 31.4% in 2022. Perfect Diary, established with online selling in Alibaba, perfectly meets the needs of Chinese consumers and follow the trend of e-commerce. The business will be professional and in a mature stage of online selling. The brand has a very possessed future and it can be trusted by investors. Forecasted long-term growth in the cosmetics industry could guarantee profits and returns. Thank you for listening.